Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 2 of Foldable number 2. For this one we have our y is equal to 1/2 cosine 2 theta. Once again we're going to be using our formula of y is equal to a cosine b theta. And right away we can see that we have both of these here, so it's perfect. Our amplitude, or our omega, is going to be equal to our 1/2. And our period is going to be equal to 2 pi divided by our b, which is 2. I mean, we don't really need to do anything else because we already see that 2 divided by 2 is 1, leaving us just with a period of pi, which is awesome. So we can go ahead and label our amplitude here. So this is going to, let's just say this is at 1, this is at -1. That means our graph is going to be at 1/2 and at -1/2 here. So we can go ahead and draw our line here to show that it's not going to be as big. And I've been kind of drawing these out kind of just to show a lot of space, and it might not be exact to graph. You might have to do a period of pi only this big, and even though it has a giant graph, this is all really where it lands. But I'm drawing it a little spaced out so you kind of have a better idea of how everything works. So once again, the period's at pi, so we're going to go ahead and just mark a nice little line here and label this pi. We're going to get about the middle and label it pi over 2. In the middle again, and half of pi over 2 is pi over 4. I know that because all you do is multiply this by 1/2 and be times 1 on top times 2 on the bottom. 2 times 2 would be 4. And then we just go ahead and do this here. We just have 3 pi over 4. So it's 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, which is 1/2, and 3 pi over 4, and then 4 pi over 4, which would be just pi. We didn't mark this one here. Okay, and once again, this is a cosine graph. So we're going to start up on top, which is our maximum, hit 0, hit the minimum, hit 0, and back to the maximum there. And this is always going to be what it looks like for cosine, as long as it's not negative. So once again, we're going to have a nice curve here. It's going to curve up, and there we go. So this is going to be our cosine graph.